By Clyde's bonny banks, as I sadly did wander, near the village of Blantyre, as evening drew nigh, I spied a fair maiden, all dressed in deep mourning. She was weeping and wailing with many a sigh. I stepped up to her and thus I addressed her. Pray tell me, fair maid, of your trouble and pain. Oh, sobbing and sighing, at last she made answer. Johnny Murphy, kind sir, was my true lover's name. 21 years of age, full of youth and good looking, to work down the mines of High Blantyre he came. The wedding was fixed, all the guests were invited. That calm a summer's evening my Johnny was slain. The explosion was heard, all the women and children with pale anxious faces made haste to the mine. When the truth was made known, the hills rang with their mourning. 210 young miners were slain. The month of October I long will remember. In his full health and strength to his labours did go. But on that fateful morning, without any warning, 210 in cold death were laid low. Now husbands and wives and sweethearts and brothers, that a Blantyre explosion they will never forget. And all you young miners that hear my sad story, shed a tear for the victims who are laid to their rest. But the spring it will come with the flowers of the summer that bloom in the wilderness so lovely and fair. I will gather the snowdrops, primroses and daisies round my true lover's grave. I will transplant them there. Well, they say it's not fit for the dead to be grieving, but there's nothing but sorrow bestowed upon me. He has gone from this world but a short time before me, and I hope I'll rejoin him in eternity.